Hi. In this video I will show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing data for free, on the unsupported hardware, and get updates step by step. Many users of Windows 10 who wish to upgrade their system are facing difficulties in bypassing TPM checks, secure boot errors, or MBR partition. Fortunately for us with older PC configurations, there is a workaround that will allow you to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 even if the processor and Secure Boot and TPM are not supported on your PC. For this video, I will show you an easy way to download Windows 11 then make an upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 without losing data on unsupported hardware and get updates like supported hardware. So, let's start by downloading Windows 11 ISO file from Microsoft site. You can find the link in the description. Once he is finished, you will now have the latest Windows 11 ISO image files saved to your folder. Now to make sure no system check is performed, you must remove or rename the file that instigates it all, named appraiserres.dll. There are multiple ways of doing that. This method is probably the easiest of the lot. Navigate to your Windows 11 ISO and double-click to mount it. It will be mounted on read-only, so you can't remove the appraiserres.dll file. For that, we will copy all the files in the ISO file, then create a new folder and paste them into this folder. Now go to your folder and open the Sources folder in it. Find the appraiserres.dll, not appraiser.dll, file in this location and then simply delete or rename this file. I will rename it. Go back to the parent folder again. Simply run the setup.exe file now by double-clicking on it to run the Windows 11 installation. Next, click on the Change How Setup Downloads Updates hyperlink. On the next page, select Not Right Now. Click on Next. The installer will skip the verification and take you straight to licensing and validation. Click on Accept. You can see we are able to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 and keep the personal files and apps. Click on Install to begin. Seems all went fine as we get to see the Windows 11 desktop on our now upgraded system. Let's have a look at what about this PC has to tell us. Now I will answer the much asked question is related to updates on Windows 11 because Microsoft has suggested that unsupported Windows 11 installs don't receive critical security updates. I've been running Windows 11 for a while now and so far updates have been coming in exactly the same as unsupported hardware. Let's get them all installed here to show you that are working and also to make sure our system is up to date. As you can see, that seemed to go just fine. Reboot to get the updates completed. I finished the video. Hope it can help you to upgrade your system to Windows 11 if you have unsupported hardware. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give a thumbs up. Let me and other watchers know how this worked for you within the comments, as well, and if you're interested in the same, subscribe to the channel. Thanks and hope to see you back here soon.